So hey guys, I am going to show you guys how I set up my little station to film and how I get ready and prepare before I'm going to film a video. So I start off with obviously getting out of bed, taking a shower. So I just got out of the shower, I just put on, I don't know, it's cuter in the back. Yeah, so it's a pink shirt. It looks so big on me, but this is an extra small. Like, what the heck, why is it so big? I never have Victoria's Secret shirts, but I don't know, I finally got one. Why am I so out of breath? Okay, anyways, so I'm going to fix my hair, and then I want to film, I got the James Charles palette, so I want to film a video doing this, so this is like my next video idea that I want to do. So I'm not going to do my makeup until like I'm ready to like sit down and film, but I'm going to like show you how I set up my camera, how I cleaned my room before, where I set it up at, and everything like that. So I'm just going to start with obviously doing my hair because that takes a while to dry. I let it air dry. I do not blow dry it or anything, so I always like to get that out of the way so it could dry and all that. So yeah, let's just do my hair. We got this Cantu, the coconut curling cream. I usually do this one, the leave-in conditioner. I don't know like what's the difference. My hair is still a little damp because it just like literally just got out of the shower. I'm just gonna spray it a little bit more. Because my hair dries so fast. I'm just gonna grab, I think I grabbed too much. Not really, but it's just for this one side. My hair is dripping. What? The crown of my head is the worst. I hate it. It's always so tangled and like it's super curly right there. I am going to just let it dry, and we are going to clean my room and set up my camera to film. My room is literally a mess. I'm going to start with making my bed because that's just what I start with. I'm just gonna pick up my floor a little bit because I'm gonna just clean up my floor a little bit because it's a little messy and I need like this room to film. My room's not like huge, but it is a good size to film. I clean like everything on my floor, and then I usually keep like my light, my tripod, and like my filming stuff over there, I guess. So I usually grab it from here and move it on this wall that I'm looking at. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. I usually film on this wall by where my closet is. I don't know, it's like a white background, and then I film like my try-ons over in this corner. I film on this wall normally because it's the best lighting, because I do have a window right here. So it kind of just gives you the natural light, and then I have my ring light. Or if I film at night, I just have my ring light, but that's like the biggest space I have is right here. And yeah. Okay, so, oh my god, my bed. Alright, don't mind my blankets right there. I just realized it's like that. So, my tripod has these little adjusters, so I kind of adjust it so I could sit down and film. So if this is a little too high for my liking, I will lower it a little more. I would just keep adjusting it until I like where it's at and everything. So for my ring light, these at the bottom go down. So I usually have the ring light level with me, just because I obviously want the light directly at me. So yeah. So I usually put the ring light and then my tripod right in front of it. So let me just set it up. This is usually how my setup looks. with the tripod right under it. So this is what I always look at. My tripod might be a little too high still. We'll see. It's actually pretty decent. I like it like right here. So this is with like my light all the way up. Oh my god, my glasses are so dirty. You don't realize your glasses are dirty until this light just shines bright red in your eyes. Okay, they're probably all smeared up, but it'll do. So I usually don't film with it like this bright. It's really bright right now. This is the brightest that my light goes. And yeah, so mine adjusts. I think all of them should adjust. So you can adjust it the way you like it. And then this is completely off. So you could see like the difference from what it looks like with the light and without. And using this camera. So I used the EOS Canon Rebel T7i. I just got it. And I love it so much. Just so nice. Yeah, so I usually turn it probably about right there. So I just adjust it until I like it. It's kind of dark right now. I don't know why. Sorry if you guys hear the dogs barking. That's like outside from like my neighbors. So yeah. I'll try to link like my ring light and my tripod and my camera down below. It's just hard because like my tripod I got from like a birthday a long time ago. My mom got it for me. And then my ring light my boyfriend ordered off of Amazon. So I'll try it. I don't know like which one he ordered and all that stuff. So yeah, I'll try to like find one that's similar to what I have. Yeah, so basically that's how I set up. So like now I would just grab all the stuff that I need. Like say if I'm filming a clothing haul or try-on haul, whatever. So I would just grab all the clothes that I bought, set them like right next to me, and then just show them. So I would show them first, and then I would do the try-on portion because I don't like to, my tripod's already set up for like the sitting portion. So I would do all the sitting portion first, like my intro, my outro, my like showing you guys what I have, and then like after that I would do the try-on portion where I have to adjust the tripod taller so I could stand up and you guys could see me. So like my try-on, I would have the tripod obviously bigger so I could get my full body, and then I would raise my light up so it's like taller, if that makes sense. So yeah, and then if I'm doing like a makeup video, sometimes I do my makeup videos like on my vanity, but I feel like it's better to do it when I'm sitting down just because I feel the lighting and everything is better for you guys. So I would just put all my makeup next to me, and I would have a mirror. You guys know I always show the mirror. So I always have the mirror there doing it. And yeah. Any other videos? And then last time when I did like the slime video, I did set up a table and everything in the same exact spot. So this is the spot I usually always film at, and you always see this. This is just like, I don't know, a scuff mark I have on my closet. I don't know how that happened because we just got those painted not that long ago. So yeah, I think that's it. So that's how I like set up everything and get ready to film. Alright, I hope this helps you guys out on like how you should do your setup, or if you want to do a setup, something simple and easy, because that's what I do, simple and easy. Yeah, well, that's just how I set everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!